All right, you guys, man, here we are working on our mini. The biggest thing we fight is mice, right? My man, Matt here from MouseBlocker, let me tell you, he was the first guy to believe in cars for Christmas. A, I'm so thankful for that. B, your product is the best defense against the worst problem that we have. It's another thing to fight what a mouse can do in there, and it's severe damage. They go for wiring, they go for every headache you could ever imagine, and you, my man, have the ultimate defense for that, and I'm thankful for it. It's pretty impressive.
It's awesome. My products are protecting the cars, but you're changing people's lives, man, building these cars.
Well,
I appreciate just being part of the program and being able to help. That's what MouseBlocker is about. A check engine light or the car going down because of a simple mouse, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So protecting these things, being like number one, like as a part of insurance, seriously, this is what MouseBlocker is about.
Since day one, they stepped up, and let's take a look at some of these families and how a car, the gift of mobility, has 180 degrees flipped their life for the better. Check this out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Willie. I appreciate it.
Yeah, let me get a hug, bro. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, buddy. How about a high five?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it. It's made the world of difference. I'm sorry. It's made a world of difference. It's a huge relief. I don't have to rely on just random people to take me places, and I can take my son to the doctor, and I can take him where he needs to go. And it's a huge relief with work because I work 30 minutes away from my house. And
Out back are 2 cars, and we're gonna give you your choice. And step out back, we'll let you go to car shop.
I love it. Oh my gosh, it runs so smoothly. And it doesn't make any weird noises. I don't know, Mom. I don't know what to do. This is gonna be a hard decision.
What car are you taking?
I think I might have to go with this.
This one?
This
The
one.
Ford Escape.
Yes.
All right. Ford Escape. You good with that?
I am.
We're gonna do some paperwork, and you're rolling out of this thing today. This is yours. Title in hand, keys in hand. Yeah, I get a high five. Let's go. Come on.
So I think that is the best part of the give and the best part of what we do. In a sense, independence and freedom.